Welcome to our video on the 5 benefits of hiring a professional chimney sweep for your home's safety. If you own a fireplace or wood-burning stove, it's crucial to have your chimney regularly inspected and cleaned. In this video, we'll discuss the advantages of hiring a professional chimney sweep to keep your home and family safe from potential dangers. A dirty chimney can release allergens and dangerous pollutants inside your home, including carbon monoxide that can lead to serious health complications. By hiring a professional chimney sweep to clean your chimney, you can significantly improve the indoor air quality of your home, creating a safer and healthier environment for you and your family. A buildup of creosote and other debris can block airflow in your chimney, preventing your fireplace or wood-burning stove from working efficiently. With regular chimney inspections and cleanings from a professional chimney sweep, you can ensure that your fireplace is working at its best, providing warmth and comfort for your home. A chimney fire can quickly escalate into a disastrous house fire, causing extensive damage and putting your family at risk of injury. By hiring a professional chimney sweep to regularly clean your chimney, you can significantly reduce the risk of a chimney fire and rest easy, knowing that you have done everything possible to protect your home and loved ones. During a chimney inspection, a professional chimney sweep can also identify other potential safety hazards in your home, such as outdated or malfunctioning heating systems, leaky roofs, and even structural issues. Addressing these issues early on can prevent costly repairs and disasters down the road. By investing in regular chimney inspections and cleanings from a professional chimney sweep, you can ultimately save money over time by preventing costly repairs and improving the efficiency of your heating system. Not to mention the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your home and family are safe from potential hazards.